Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best pond vacuum cleaners in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 5. Python Ultivac. This simple pond vacuum from Python uses water pressure from your hose to drive the suction. That means that the vacuum itself can be relatively simple, compact, and lightweight, but the suction power you'll get depends heavily on the water pressure of your hose outlet. As a result, users have very mixed results when working with this pond vacuum. The key to being successful with this vacuum is to use it only for basic silt cleaning around small, shallow ponds. The plastic hose doesn't accept nozzle attachments, so you won't be able to scrape up stuck-on grime or to get good cleaning action in tight corners. But if you limit yourself to general cleaning, the hose can be very useful for sucking up a large amount of material. Note that while this vacuum comes with a discharge hose, it's not meant to filter water back into your pond. Instead, you'll need to replace any of the water that you vacuum up after you are done cleaning. Number 4. Metalla Power Cyclone Pond Vacuum. Now that we are nearing the end of this list, it is time to introduce the Metalla Power Cyclone Pond Vacuum, which is an excellent option for large murky pools. With a strong suction power and automatic discharge features, this product will surely leave you impressed. This product is known for its high suction power that can handle the most difficult algae easily. It is equipped with an active discharge system which works continuously to eliminate the muck. It needs to be switched off every 5 to 7 minutes so the body can cool down, but it cools down almost immediately, and you can start it again. It also features an excellent and effective reach of 18 feet into the pond and comes with a 26 feet suction hose. This will let you reach the bottom easily with no extra effort. Adding to it are transparent tubings, which are incredibly beneficial when it comes to keeping a watch over what goes into the machine. In case you see any particles that are too sharp or metal pieces that have been sucked in, you can immediately stop and drain. This will keep the unit functioning for a long time. The major downside to this unit is that it is expensive and bulky. Yes, it offers powerful suction and can clean large ponds, so we feel that the price and the size are justified. After all, it will need a bigger body to handle a larger landscape. But we wish the price was more affordable. Number 3. The Pond Guy ClearVac. If you are looking for an innovative solution for cleaning your water body, the Pond Guy ClearVac will do the job exceptionally well. It is designed to make pools cleaner and is equipped with a powerful motor that helps it function. Bring this home and own a clean and healthy pond with no oil patches and sludge. To begin with, the unit has a dual-chamber reservoir, which is accompanied by an auto-discharge feature. Both of these work efficiently to make sure that you can continuously use it. While most products have a long discharge time and are known to be time-consuming, this one offers quick discharge. To add to the functioning, there are 4 attachments and a 13 feet power cord. The extensions are long and rigid and will allow you to reach far into the pond to clean up sludge. It has the power to clean wastes up to 3/8 inches in width. Lastly, the unit features a transparent intake extension, which allows you to see what is going into the vacuum body. This will provide awareness of any potential particles that may disrupt the functioning. Overall, we did find this to be a very beneficial addition to our appliances, and it was not too expensive. Rest assured that it is not burning a hole in your pockets. So, the outflow tube has a net attached to its opening, which traps the gunk. It can be adjusted with the help of drawstrings. The net is supposed to fit snugly around the pipe, but these drawstrings tear off easily, leaving it loose. If this happens, wastes can again fall back into the water, and hence you should use a rubber band to tighten it. Number 2. OASE 032232 Pondivac. One of our top recommendations is the OASE 032232 Pondivac, which is known for its powerful motor in a medium-sized body. It comes with a host of accessories that will help you make easy adjustments according to the space that needs to be cleaned. Read on to know more about it. It boasts of a top-notch hose, which is 13 feet long and has brilliant suction capacity. With a 1200 to 1400 W machine that powers the suction system, you can use it to clean up ponds as well as swimming pools. Pools need a thorough cleaning after winter, and this vacuum can be used to do just that. Also, it features a single-chamber suction system that can collect and drain efficiently. It can collect wastes thoroughly from up to 3.5 feet underwater with this system, while the maximum suction depth is 6 feet. Besides, compared to its peers, this is a smaller product that takes up less space to store and is perfect for small to medium-sized ponds and pools. Furthermore, it has aluminum tubing, which does not increase the unit's total weight but makes it more durable than those with plastic tubes. Lastly, there is a transparent section in the tubing which allows one to see better. We found that the collection bag is not big enough to hold all the waste from our pond floor. It had to be emptied at regular intervals, which slowed down the process and made it more time-consuming. This is the only issue we faced, and we wish that the collection bag were bigger. Number 1. OASE 6024018531010 Pondivac Classic. If you are looking for a powerful device that will take care of big and small ponds, the OASE 6024018531010 Pondivac Classic is a great pick. Designed to be versatile, this product runs on a strong 1800 W motor and has a set of different nozzle attachments for varied needs. The best part about this product is that it can be used for dual purposes. It boasts of a dual-chamber suction system that enables proper cleaning. You can use it as a wet vacuum for cleaning swimming pools and the flooring inside the house. The product works well and will ensure that the house and your pond stay clean. Adding on to the convenience, this unit comes with a set of different nozzle attachments, which will help you reach tricky corners easily. There are very thin nozzles to reach nooks and corners, while broader ones quickly clean large surfaces. Coming to the assembly process, it is quite easy and you can do it yourself without any help. There is a manual provided for additional guidance, and it will also tell you how to use the vacuum safely. The only issue with this device is that the hose gets clogged easily. You will have to keep cleaning it often to ensure smooth use. Swimming pools will not pose as big a problem as a murky pond that needs to be cleaned. Clean the hoses after you have thoroughly cleaned the pond, and that should prevent unnecessary clogging.